Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit like Rowanrow. So just before you start, hit the like button and let's get started. First go to light, then increase the contrast to around 20. Now bring down the highlight to around -55 and bring up the shadow to around 60. Now bring up the white to around +21 and blacks down, bring down the blacks to around -43. Okay, now go to color and increase the temperature to around 8 +8. Okay, also increase the tint to around +10. Now bring up the vibrance to around 30. Now bring down, okay, yeah, 30. Now bring down the saturation to around -21. Yeah, now go to curve and bring up the blacks a little bit. Okay, now at a point to the shadow and bring down the shadow a little bit. Now bring up the midpoint a little bit. Okay, now we're done to the curve. Now click on down and go to effect and increase the clarity to around +20. When touch the DH or vignette, go to split tone. Now drag the highlights to a hue to 210 and saturation 11. Okay, now drag the shadow to hue 210 and saturation 10. Okay, now click on done. Now go to color. Okay, before we go to mix, go to detail and increase the color noise reduction to around 20. Okay, now go to color and go to mix panel. Bring up the hue to around 16. Okay, now go to orange and bring down the hue to around 20. Also bring up the saturation to 22. Now bring down the luminance to around -11. Go to yellow and bring down the hue to -64. Okay, now bring up the luminance to around 24. Now go to green and bring down the hue to -53 and bring down the saturation all the way down. Now go to aqua and bring up the hue all the way down. Now go to blue and bring up it to around +80. Now bring down the saturation to around 60. Also bring down the luminance to around 60. Okay, we're done. We're done to all the work. Now click on copy setting and click OK. Now we will paste it to another photos to see the result. Now I'm gonna increase the exposure a little bit to adjust the photo. Okay, I'm gonna bring down the saturation a little bit. Now it's looking good. Okay, the preset link will be given below in the description, so check it out. Best settings. Yeah, it's doing pretty good job. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Okay guys, if you enjoy the video, hit the like button and see you next time.